Hi there!
You let me handle it. Alex handles it. Rody does nothing.
Hi there!
Good evening, dear students, and I am Israel Van Nodre, and I am from Group 3G. So, let's continue. Our agenda. Firstly, we introduce the paragraphs. Second one, grammar explanation. Third one, activity. Fourth one, conclusion. And the fifth one, reference list. So, let's talk about learner's profile. First, they are 10 years old, and it means they are kids. They have 3 languages. It means they are multilingual: Russian, Uzbek, and English. Their level is A2. They study at private school, which is situated in Tashkent region. And when we're teaching the students, we always should pay attention to their needs. Their needs is learning punctuation marks. And when we are researching, we came to conclusion that they are auditory visual learners. So, as I mentioned before, our topic is punctuations. And let's watch a video, students, and try to find out the punctuation marks. Please watch the video carefully and note the punctuation that you watched.
You let me handle it. Alex handles it. Rody does nothing.
Hi there!
Oh, jeez. Oh, sorry.
Oh, Alex, what'd you do?
No, stop. It's okay. I'm just a silly lion.
Oh, jeez! Oh, no.
Oh, you good,
Oh,
baby.
jeez.
Did that big mean lion scare you? He did. He's a big bad old putty tat, isn't he?
Thank you very much for watching the video, students. As you seen in the video, there were given a number of punctuation marks. They are question mark, commas, dots, and others. Now, it's time to think about punctuations. What are they and what are the functions in the sentence? So, punctuation is that allows us to organize our thoughts and make it easier to review and share our ideas. In the standard English, there are a number of punctuations. They are period, comma, apostrophe, quotation, exclamation marks, brackets, dash, hyphen, ellipses, and others. So, let's continue our presentation. Here are given a number of punctuation marks. They are question marks, exclamation marks, it can be period and also dots, question marks, and apostrophe. So, let's continue. Let's continue our presentation. Here are given a number of punctuation marks and let's define them one by one. Firstly, question mark. Why we use them? We use question marks to make clear that what is said is a question. When we use a question mark, we don't use a full stop. For example, why do they make so many mistakes? And the next person should answer here. The second one is comma. Comma. We use commas to separate a list of similar words or phrases. For example, it's important to write in clear, simple, accurate words. Third one, exclamation mark. We use exclamation marks to indicate an exclamative clauses or expressions in informal writing. When we want to emphasize something in informal writing, we sometimes use more than exclamation marks. For example, listen. So, dear students, let's continue. The next ones are ellipses. What is ellipses? Ellipses is used in writing or printing to indicate an omission, especially of letters or words. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, until she got to 10, then went to find him. Second one is here, parentheses. They are curved notations used to contain further thoughts or qualifying remarks. The third one is hyphen. Hyphen is used to join two or more words together into a compound term. It means compound words, and it isn't separated by spaces. For example, part-time, back-to-back, and well-known. Let's continue. The next ones are full stop and apostrophe. What is full stop? Full stop is used to mark the end of a sentence. For example, we went to France last summer and full stop, or full stop can be also written as dots. The second one is apostrophe. Apostrophe is used to indicate the omission of a letter or letters from a word, the possessive case, or the plural of lowercase letters. For example, Sarah's dog beat the neighbor. Whose dog? Sarah's dog. So, let's continue. So, as you understand, students, there are a number of punctuation marks in English language. So, let's continue. So, it's time to play a game. Let's revise our grammar point. Well, let's students will play a game. In this game, there are given a number of punctuation marks exercises, and you should find the true answer here. We would be only one team, and I will choose a number for you, and you should do the exercises in your notebook. Let's begin. I would choose the number 4. So, find out. I love to go swimming. What kind of punctuation mark do you prefer? Let's check our answer. Here we should put dots. The next one. Let's be 6. You win 15 points. Thank you. Let's be 10. Pay attention. When do you go to school? When do you go to school? Put a true punctuation mark. Let's check. There. What is it? It is question mark. Thank you. And we have let's 12. Here, what is your favorite animal? And you should put punctuation mark, please. Let's check. As well, here is also question mark. And the last question. Let's be certain. What is your name? The easiest question. Let's check. as well punctuation mark. Thank you very much for you. Thank you very much for your participation in the game. So let's make a conclusion. What is punctuation? Punctuation marks help readers to make sense of what's going on in your writing. Quotation marks tell them when someone is speaking. Periods keep sentences separate. Apostrophe can communicate position or indicate when something is missing. Thank you very much for your attention. And here are given references, what kind of reference I used in my presentation. And let's continue and finish our lesson with our favorite cartoon, Madagascar. Thank you very much for your attention, and it's the end of the presentation, and revise the punctuation marks, and let's finish our lesson with our favorite cartoon, Madagascar, and try to find out the punctuation marks as yourself.
Moves, Alex.
Check it out, I'm about to do my